Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best baby toys are probably one of the most crucial elements in a child's early development, offering a gateway to learning, exploration, and endless fun during those precious first 12 months. These carefully selected items are designed to stimulate your little one's senses, encourage motor skill development, and foster cognitive growth, making every moment a learning opportunity and a joyous adventure as they navigate the exciting world around them. Number 5. LeapFrog Learning Friends 100 Words Book. Say hello to turtle, tiger, and monkey. They're here to introduce you to over 100 words that are just right for your age. Discover words across many categories like pets, animals, food, colors, and more. You'll find so many new things to learn. Just touch the words on the pages to hear them, along with fun sound effects and interesting facts. It makes learning exciting. Press the light up star to hear the catchy Learning Friends theme song and your favorite word. You can even sing along. Learn in both English and Spanish. This book offers a full bilingual experience, helping you master words in 2 languages. Designed for children 18 months and up, this book is ready for hours of exploration and learning fun right out of the box. What we like? If you're looking for a toy that introduces early vocabulary in a fun and engaging way, this is it. It offers a bilingual experience, making it perfect for families wanting to expose their children to multiple languages. The interactive pages and familiar characters make learning words and concepts a joy. What people say. The toy is designed with bright colors and different textures to stimulate a baby's senses. It features multiple interactive elements, such as buttons that play sounds and lights that flash, encouraging motor skill development. The durable construction ensures it can withstand rough play from toddlers. Number 4. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad Learning Mat. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure. This innovative splash pad makes learning easy and enjoyable for your little one during playtime. Beat the heat with this refreshing splash pad designed for children 12 months and older. It creates endless opportunities for imaginative summer adventures. Keep your children cool and secure with this parent-approved outdoor water toy. It's made with quality materials and is free from harmful chemicals. We believe in the power of play for healthy development. This product offers both educational activities and outdoor fun in one amazing package. As parents ourselves, we prioritize safety and quality. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer care team is here to help make it right. What we like? For those hot summer days, this is an absolute must-have. It combines the joy of water play with educational elements, featuring an alphabet mat for learning. If you want to keep your little one cool, entertained, and learning outdoors, this splash pad is the ideal choice. What people say. The stacking cups are great for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The soft blocks are easy for little hands to grasp and stack, promoting sensory exploration. The musical instrument set introduces basic cause and effect through interactive play. Number 3. iPlay, iLearn Bouncy Pals Hopping Unicorn Horse. Introducing a beautifully designed hopping unicorn, crafted with eye-catching features. It's a spectacular gift that will capture hearts at first sight. With 4 sturdy legs, it provides a reliable partner for your child. It helps strengthen muscles, improve balance, and promote brain development. Perfect for any occasion, from summer vacations to parties and everyday play. Let your child experience the joy of riding a real horse anywhere they choose. Getting this fun toy ready is easy. Simply insert a pump into the belly, inflate it to the perfect size, and quickly replace the stopper. Your kids will adore this inflatable ride-on pal. They can hop on, grab the long ears, and let their imagination take them on exciting adventures, indoors or out. What we like? If your child loves imaginative play and needs a fun way to build strength and coordination, consider this. It's a plush, ride-on toy that encourages active play, helping them develop balance and core muscles. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor adventures, it makes a fantastic gift for energetic toddlers. What people say. The toy is designed to help babies develop fine motor skills. It features a variety of textures and colors to stimulate sensory development. The product is made from durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for young children. Number 2. SEREED Baby Balance Bike for 1-year-olds. This balance bike is designed for toddlers aged 12 to 24 months. It's the perfect first birthday gift to help them learn walking and riding, building essential balance and coordination skills early on. With no pedals and a fully widened closed-wool design, it ensures your baby's feet stay safe. The 135-degree steering limit and gravity steering prevent accidental tumbles. It features a durable aluminum alloy frame, non-slip handles, and a soft, supportive seat. The wheels are non-slip and floor-friendly, suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. Made from high-quality, safe materials, this bike is a wonderful gift for any 1-year-old. You can be assured of its safe design for your little boy or girl. Weighing only 1.6 kilograms, it's incredibly easy for both parents and children to carry. This encourages independent play and keeps them engaged without needing constant help. What we like? This is the perfect first ride for little ones learning to navigate their world. If you're looking for a safe and effective way to help your child develop balance, steering, and confidence before they transition to a pedal bike, this is it. Its sturdy yet lightweight design makes it easy for them to manage and for you to transport. What people say. The toy is designed with smooth, rounded edges, making it safe for little hands. It features multiple textures and bright colors that stimulate sensory development. The stacking rings are easy to grasp and promote fine motor skill development. Number 1. Kikidex Magnetic Drawing Board, Soft Pink. Looking for a special gift for a child aged 1 to 3? This magnetic drawing board is a fantastic and affordable choice. It offers endless fun and learning opportunities, making it an ideal present for birthdays or any occasion. This toy is more than just fun, it helps develop essential skills. It enhances visual perception, hand-eye coordination, and color recognition. It's also a great tool for learning letters, words, and numbers, turning playtime into an educational adventure. Designed for heavy use, this drawing board is sturdy and stable. Its adjustable legs can be set to 3 different heights, ensuring a comfortable drawing experience that grows with your child. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic ABS material, this board is completely safe for your child. It's BPA-free, has no small parts, and features rounded corners to prevent scratches, ensuring peace of mind for parents. Say goodbye to paper waste and messy crayons. This magnetic drawing board provides an eco-friendly way for kids to express themselves. With an easy-to-use eraser, they can quickly clear their drawings and start anew, enjoying hours of clean, uninterrupted fun. What we like? If you want to foster your child's artistic talents without the mess, this is the solution. It provides endless opportunities for creative expression, helping to develop hand-eye coordination and imagination. Ideal for travel or quiet play at home, it's a fantastic, eco-friendly way for little ones to doodle and learn. What people say. The legs are easy to remove and then reinstall, making its use versatile and storage travel easier when needed or desired. The edges are rounded, so we haven't had any injuries while using this product. The quality is excellent and the sliding eraser is so easy to use. It keeps kids busy at home, in the car and travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.